This was something when I was doing some research, this little topic right here makes sense, but right now you need to be very cognizant on tax penalties, right? It's at the highest that it has been over the last 16 years. It's at 8%, and that's been going on from October 1st of 23 over to March 31st. To put things in perspective, guys, in 2022, penalties were 3%. So it's escalated from 3 to 8, Rick. That's pretty substantial. And it's going to fluctuate with interest rates.
Well, I think what the IRS is seeing is that there's a influx of returns that have been filed in the last 2 years where the amount of people that owe has increased on their taxes. And a lot of that has to do with the changes on your W-9 and W-4 reportings. A lot of people are becoming much more self-employed, so they have self-employment taxes that are owed. And so what ends up happening is you end up owing, you owe a penalty for not making those tax payments within the year. Okay, so you have until January 15th of this last year to make all your payments for the 2023 tax year.
Yep.
And so if you end up owing, you file your tax return April 15th and you have a balance due, this penalty comes into effect because you should have remitted those taxes during the tax year. Okay, so you're going to be subject. Let's say you owe $1,000, not a lot, it's $1,000. You're going to get an extra $80 penalty on that.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
Because you should have paid that $1,000 before January 15th.
And hey, listen here. What I always try to tell people, if you're uncertain on what your income is going to be for that respective year, let's fall under the safe harbor rules.
Yeah.
Let's use 110% of the previous years, but let's also make sure we're making our estimated payments on a quarterly basis, okay? So it's not just that you wait till the very last quarter and then make that 110 payment, right? Or make sure you have 110% in.